right, so I believe it's like 5 seconds every mile. So if you see the lightning flash and you count to 5, and then you hear the thunder, it's about a mile away. If you see the lightning flash and then you hear the thunder, I'm going to be scared, because that means the lightning is very close. If you see the lightning flash and you wait like 20 seconds, and then you feel the thunder, or hear the thunder, that means it's quite a ways away. It's about 4 or 5 miles away. All right. So the speed of sound in air is related to 2 different things. Okay. I had this already. All right. So the speed of sound is what's this letter S? And who knows the speed racer, right? Anyway. So the speed of sound is related to 2 different things. It's how far something has to travel, and something I call the jiggle rate. All right. Some of the grown-ups might think the jiggle rate is something called the frequency. All right. So the jiggle rate is how fast something is jiggling. So if I want to go back and forth to this distance here with my finger, okay? If I want to increase my jiggle rate, what do I have to do to my finger? I have to move my finger faster, right? And if I have the same length here, right? And if I want to increase my jiggle rate, or I increase my speed, what happens to my jiggle rate?
It goes even faster.
It goes up. So if I increase my jiggle rate, keeping the length the same, my speed goes up. If I increase the speed, keeping the length the same, the jiggle rate goes up. So it turns out that what I'm going to do, as far as the length is concerned, is the Alright, hold on. It always gets stuck. Is your stuff too, Zach?
No, I got it.
And always happens. All right. So what Zach and I are going to do, and you probably haven't seen this movie before, but it's one of the former governor's movies called The Terminator. So we're going to do a scene from the movie, and you know it's probably not going to be very funny, but we're going to use the speed of sound to make it funny. Okay? So I'm going to be this rough and tough bicycle guy in this bar, and this is the Terminator. All right, I'm ready when you are.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
You forgot to say, please. Is that funny?
No. Yes. Yeah.
Well, sort of, yeah, but you guys didn't laugh. You might have thought it was funny, but you didn't laugh. So now, whenever you're ready.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle. I forgot to say please.
So what happened there is we used the speed of sound in helium is about 6 times faster than what it is in air. And then what happens is the speed of sound went up, the size of our voice boxes stayed the same, so our jiggle rate or our frequency of the sound went up. So we sounded like little chipmunks. Okay? Do it again. What do we want to do another line from?
Monty Python.
Oh, you do anything from Python?
I don't.
Oh, you don't? Oh,
Oh, wait. Maybe.
Wait.
Count to 3, my lord.
Right.
Count to 3.
Okay.
1,
How about
2, 5. 3, my lord.
how about Barney? That's always stuck. Oh, I know. I do the Speed Racer theme song. Speed Racer, right? How about the cat flushing the toilet?
Yeah. Meow. Flush in the toilet. It's okay.
There must have been glue in there or something like that.
Yeah. No. Wow.
See it work, Zach?
Yeah.
Let me hurry.
Here's a cat. Meow. Flush in the toilet.
He's a cat. No, flush the toilet. He's a cat. No, flush the toilet. He's a cat. No, flush the toilet. He's a cat. Flush the toilet. He doesn't care if he's wasting water. He likes to push the handle and watch the water go down.
All right, the last thing. I'm sure you're asking, can you do this? No. No. Do not do this. You can do this when you turn 50 and when you get a PhD. Okay? Do not do this because it makes you a little bit dizzy. You have to be really careful. Okay? So.
Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Silly and foolish the whole day through. Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy?
All right. Any other questions?
I didn't get that one.
Any questions from the grown-ups?